Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, let me show you how to fix YouTube Shorts remix problem. If you are a creator and trying to make sure that the videos that you upload or the shorts that you upload have the remix enabled, what you can do is just open up the particular video on the YouTube Studios app on the mobile or as well as on the desktop, and then head over to the pencil icon. And then you'll be able to see the option called community. Inside of community, you'll see the option called remixing. Make sure that it is set to allow video and audio remixing. If this is toggled off for you, other creators would not be able to create a remix out of this particular short. Now what you can also try out if this issue is not fixed is try to update the app of YouTube. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store and then search for the YouTube platform. If you do see new updates available, you can tap on the update button. You can do the same process or repeat the same process on the YouTube Studios app as well. Apart from this, what you can also do is try to clear the data and cache of YouTube. Just tap and hold the app and then head over to app info. From this settings page, you can tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. By doing these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the shorts remix problem. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.